Bazala bami Zitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, Mgosi wethu namhlanje. Bazala bami Zitho, it's about Ingane Ezithembu season 3. We know that Uvyokazi is no longer part of Ingane Ezithembu season 3. And for me, guys, it's not because Uvyokazi is not part of the cast, but I think into besenza ukuthi sibe glued to the screen. Ayisekho usine doesn't akasanda drama. Vele umpilo we know ukuthi umpilo nolwandle abafaki next to that show, guys. Let's just be honest. Umpilo olwandle abongwe abafaki next abongwe ungcono because unokuthi makahlele nobabakhe and noma hlele nabo Uvyokazi nabo Trell bakanokubusa izinto yebo ezinomsonco, but these two abafaki next. So this season mina just find it so very boring. There's nothing to talk about. There's nothing. Ingakho ngayenza ama videos amaningi. We did see ukuthi uAmahle, yes, there's a new girlfriend or the new wife that is called uAmahle, who's joined the cast umuntu kaBhubezi, which is uMpumelelo Msele. uAmahle noma khuluma you could see ukuthi lento ayikho engathi uforced yilabantu abathulile, so engathi uforced ukuthi abe part of the cast. I do not know, but I saw ukuthi on the next episode this Sunday uAmahle no Trello bazowazana. That means uMpumelelo will be introducing uAmahle to Trello, and Trello did say she was vocal about how hurt she is. Ushilo wathi akafuna ucamba manga uMpumelelo umhethile, and impendulo kaMpumelelo wathini usuke wazenza ibhube. So now I think uTrello understand izinto Uvyokazi bekazenza. I do not blame uTrello for a lot of the things, because one thing I have noticed about uMpumelelo uyenza the very same mistake yenza ubabakhe. uMangwabe once said umuzi kaMsele kuphula Msele because uMsele ukuthatha indaba zangapha zimukise ngapha, athatha indaba zangapha zimukise ngapha. I think that is the very same thing uMpumelelo yenza, because mina I used to say, even on the previous videos I used to make, ukuthi uMtirele bonyekazi abe namandla ukukhuluma the way ekhuluma ngayo ngoVyokazi if bangazi next ngoVyokazi. So he has saying izinto zenzayo, there are things so they ngori to keep a man have a standard. My sister, izinto bekazitshela uMpumelelo ukuthi you know what, lo yangincenga lo in and these are very same things that uMpumelelo sakazitshela uAmahle. Ingakho uAmahle now is saying uTrello ibhubezi. uAmahle wazolapha ukuthi uTrello ibhubezi, and uTrello wayibhubezi Amahle na or wayibhubezi la Uvyokazi. Yes, I've seen a lot of people but uTrello yalayeka because of we know that Uvyokazi has a lot of following, and I am one of the people who love Uvyokazi. Mina I love the way Uvyokazi is playing on season 1, so ngagijima ngayo kanjalo, but now I feel as if uTrello must just leave uMpumelelo and abukele ngathini abuyele afocus on career yakhe, akhulisa ingane yakhe. Iyayenzeka guys, nangu uVyokazi uyenzela after leya chef beyifuna ukumcola. Iyayenzeka, it is possible, because I do not understand ukuthi uTrello wayimela azihlaze kangaka, ehlise isidima sakhe nesidima sabazali bakhe kangaka. She said she's the only child, and the allegations or rumors they are saying Gibo Trello they are married, but she doesn't act like umntwana obuye family who they are married. Engathi uyancenga. I do not know ukuthi yini lengakancenga kuMpumelelo, because uMpumelelo seems as if yes uyamthanda, we know that uyamthanda, but mina I believe ukuthi uthando izenzo iziphi lezenzo uMpumelelo yaziphi uTrello. Guys, let's just be honest, esizothi you know what, yes uyamthanda, because lento bekayenza kuVyokazi. Yes, we saw ukuthi uMpumelelo we could say bekathanda uTrello more than uVyokazi, njengoba manje ahlonipha uAmahle more than uTrello. Cabanga umuntu azosho on national TV ukuthi uyibhubezi usukwazenza ibhubezi, that means uMpumelelo akamfuni yena ugirlfriend or umuntu ozombuza or umuntu ozozimela ukuthi you know what, this thing ayengimele, this thing is wrong. Waqala wambuza uzovela athi uyibhubezi. Wathi last year uTrello makambuza ukuthi yini lengakenza ukuthi mara Mhlopekazi athi uchintshile, and there I think uTrello bekabuza ama-question avilid wathi sike sabambana ngezandla. Akekho umuntu ongavela kusukela hleli phansi akubambe ngezandla. There's no woman ongayenza kanjalo. So kusho ukuthi kulento ayenza kuVyokazi le abangazange bayisho ukuthi uVyokazi azakhuphuka afeel as if you know what, now ngikhathele njengoba manje sekathi uTrello yibhubezi. Mina I feel so sorry for uTrello, engathi ngavele ngitshela uma ngathi ayitshela umntana wakhe aphume lapha, because asi understand into abayihlalela. And then now I understand ukuthi why Gibo Uvyokazi they went to show him Zoom to ask what is really happening. Lo muntu unabazali nathi sikhona siva ubuhlungu when we see izinto ezinje on national TV, and into ebuhlungu ukuthi thina singabe abantu bangabe bangayazi family kaTrello, but bakhona abantu abasebenza noma Trello mhlambe ifuna ubaba or bakhona abantu abasebenza nefamily kaTrello. You understand, so ngathi umntana wakho angazi akana sidima. uTrello is beautiful guys, uTrello is beautiful, ume kahle, une career, unemoto, and into ebalekile ukuthi usafunda. So asazi ukuthi she's still young, she's in her early 20s. Angavuka kusasa lahle lebhubezi kaze ngana career aqale kabusha azenzele imali yakhe, and if she really wanna get married aqhubeke ashade. And I've seen in one of the lives athi akasafuni ezinye ingane, so uyitholile ingane, so ufuna ingane yakhe ikhulile nobaba, ubaba ngekho present. But bazalwane mzitho, please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.